Matthew Ladd here with PacLease Montréal Leasing top tips for this week. This week we're going to take a quick look at some options on your sleeper and what I recommend. I'm sitting right now in the passenger seat, and a great option to add is the seat swivel option, allowing you to sit at the rear table comfortably with proper back support. Let's check out how this option works. Now I got really low with this shot. I am seated sideways in the truck with my toes poured towards the driver's seat. You would grab the handle here, push it back, and then push with your feet and turn the seat completely around. Now that we're facing the back of the truck, the last step is to grab underneath the corner here of the table. Also, the table is a great option to add on your trucks. And you also have a TV mounted bracket here. Now the driver can sit comfortably to eat his dinner, to do his paperwork with proper back support, and not have to sit on the bed with zero back support. And that's PacLease Montréal Leasing top tips for this week. Stay tuned for more tips in the future.